A blessed morning to my beloved students. Today we are going to discuss the Model Annual Exam Question Paper 2022. Within a 15 minutes time, I will quickly explain the question paper pattern and how to get 100 out of 100 for your final exam. So stay tuned with me. First main. Answer any 12 of the following in a word or a phrase or a sentence. Actually, you are a lucky batch this year. Out of 12 questions, you will be getting 18 questions. From that, you have to write only 12 questions. And if you are not sure about the answer, what you are writing, all the 18 questions you can attempt. That's a good thing. So when you write, be careful when you write that you can write any 18, and if you're so sure about the answer you can write only 12, but I advise you to write all the 18 so you will never miss the 12 marks. So first question, how did the lion decide to solve the problem? How he decided to solve the problem? To appoint an inquiry commission member to go through the matter and report accordingly. Next question. What kind of judgment did the man expect? Impartial judgment. Whose song is heard on every tree? The bird's song. Who winds his horn? The distant huntsman. How far the narrator's home from the city? Some 1,500 miles away. How much money did the narrator have in the wallet? 14 rupees. Who was Ali's father? Nasruddin Sheikh. Name the school founded by Ali. Ananda Shiksha Niketan. What would be the bird not asked the tree before building the nest according to the speaker in If I Was a Tree? What caste it belonged to? According to the speaker in If I Was a Tree, 300,000 got shelter inside a cow. Where did Mara hide himself before he met the king first time? In the tree. The river on which the lake was built is, the name of the river is River Veda. Who is virtuous? According to the speaker, her husband or the farmer. How many children does the speaker and the farmer's wife have? 4 children. How much does the old woman demand to take the speaker to the horseshoe shrine? 50 paisa coin. Who stick to like a bird according to the speaker in Old Woman? Old woman. So the question itself, the answer is there. How old was Niccolo? 30 years old. Poleta in Two Gentlemen of Verona refers to village. Sometimes this type of tricky questions also there. So when you write, you think and write. And anyhow, you're getting 15 minutes of time before you start writing the exam. So plan your answer and utilize the 15 minutes of reading time. Second main. So this is the most important main for you because from this main you are getting 32 marks. As I have already mentioned in my previous videos, when you write the 4 markers, always make sure at least you underline the 4 value points. I have underlined. That is, if you are so sure with the points what you are writing in the answer, it is devoid of the spelling mistake, very well you can underline. So this is the way to impress the examiner and you can get out, that means 4 mark. Always my students used to ask me the question, how much ever I get right also I'm not able to score 4. So this is my secret formula. When you write the 4 markers and 6 markers, please do underline the key point. For example, each key points that will fetch you 1 mark. So I have underlined here around 4 to 5 important points were definitely that when the examiner go through it, you will get 4 marks. So here I'm not explaining everything in detail. Please do follow the instruction for all the question answers till the question number 33. Only in this year, as the revised question paper, you have the option of for the first main, that is you are getting extra 6 questions extra. And when you write the third main, what you have to do is the third main is very important main for you, and there are 3 options in that. So when you write the third main, always make sure that you are writing least of 2 pages. And the fourth main is read the following paragraph. So read the passage and write the answer. So I'm not explaining the answer. You after while you watch the video, you can pause the video and see answers. The fifth main, full of grammar, that is fill in the blanks with appropriate articles and preposition. So here I have highlighted with the blue color, that is the articles and preposition. The same way suitable form of verbs and with the subject verb agreement. And always I advise you, when you write the grammar part, please write the question number clearly and the entire passage or a paragraph and underline the answer. That will give an impression to the examiner. Correct the following sentences. In this, you no need of writing the answer question, only write the answer. Rewrite as directed also, no need of writing the question, but write the answer and underline the specific answer. For example, SELL. The question tag, only the question tag, you need to write only the tag, and make sure when you write the tag, always it should be entered with the question mark, otherwise you will never get 1 mark. And here the expression I have clearly marked 1, 2, 3. Hello, good morning is greeting. So look, when you are watching the video, you can pause and look, so you will have a better idea and clarity about what you are going to write. So this is the conversation and dialogue. 4 dialogues are there. I have highlighted with blue color, that is the dash, where you can write it and underline it. And the question, the member understand the question. So this is always a tricky question. Did the member understand the situation? Yes, you have to put a question mark. I have not added this to make sure that if I'm writing like this, what happens is that you will never get 1 mark, because the question itself is the change into a question. So it is just a sentence, because rest everything is correct. I forgot to put a question mark. So make sure that for the question tag and for the changing the question to the right form of do, please write the question tag at the end. And here the schedule, you can see please pause and see and just write only the answer. And this is the conversation. Please write the conversation, the full conversation. The conversation between 2 people means you have to write with 2 people, not just like only your conversation, because if you write only one conversation, it is only it's a monologue, it's not a dialogue. The question is that you have to write the dialogue. And next is the last question, very important question, that is letter writing. So here what I want you to advise is that first will be your address, then next is date, the second is the sender's address, then dear sir, and after that subject line, and body of the letter, thank you, yours faithfully, and your name. So since in the question itself the name is revealed, I am writing the name. Otherwise, no need of writing the name. You can write A, B and C or XXY as you wish. So with this, I end my video. All the best for your exam. Thank you and God bless.